Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
And Justin and Dina, that would be a fun way to end your shift at work. Come down on a parachute.
Yes, it would. Let's try that.
Closing out the shift. Now, as far as Viper 2 HD, no rain showing up in the Tulsa area this morning. We have 2 chances for rain today, though most of us won't actually get any rain. This morning, a few small showers could develop, though right now we're dry. Then this afternoon, we could see a few strong storms forming, but those strong storms, most of them are going to develop to our north in Kansas and Missouri. That will be with the warm front backing up to our north, and the closer you get to that front, the more likely you could see storms that direction. So for today, most of the strong storms closer toward Wichita, Kansas City, and through western Missouri. This morning off to a quiet though breezy start, temperature in the upper 60s, and it's humid out there. Here's the forecast for today. The same cool front which moved through yesterday, which didn't bring us any cooling, is now going to back up to the north of us as a warm front, and you'll notice this as the wind speed increases. So increasing wind this morning and this afternoon. The futurecast isn't showing much rain, but the few thunderstorms which do develop could have severe thunderstorm warning and tornado warnings with them. Then overnight tonight, that same front is going to back up on top of us as a cool front, and we will see cooler temperatures for tomorrow and the weekend. So for today, a mix of partly to mostly cloudy skies, up to 77 degrees at noon, breezy at noon, 85 degrees at 5 p.m. So for today and tomorrow, only a few showers and thunderstorms around. The highest chances for rain will be Saturday night, Sunday, and also on Monday. Dina, you had a busy day yesterday. We're going to show some pictures to kind of show what you've been up to.
Yeah, check out this crew. I was given the honor of emceeing Glenpool's first Glenpool's Got Talent show.
Oh, cool.
So much fun last night. So much talent there as well. It was a great crew, and I was honored to help them out last night. I think, there we go. This was the winner right here. Kelsey Price. She did an awesome tumbling show, I guess, for us last night. She won first place. So lots of fun. A big thank you to everyone at Glenpool Middle School for letting me be involved in it.
Glenpool's Got Talent. Was Howard Stern a judge there as well? Or?
No, he was not.
He did not show up?
No,
okay.
There were some other lovely judges.
They had Dina. You don't need anything else.
That's all you need.
Oh, well, thank you. All right.